Hello ACGs and welcome to my channel. And guess who got a haircut recently, huh? If you follow me on Insta, you already know what's going on. Check this out. How does it look? Please comment something nice about my hair so that I feel good and don't regret about it. A few days back, I posted a story on what video you want to see next. And here's a suggestion that was pretty common and caught my attention as well. Aesthetic. I hear this word like 69 times a day. Aesthetic is the new black. Like almost everyone is aesthetic nowadays. It's not like the good old days from 2012 Instagram, you know? When you used to post pictures equivalent to the quality of Gucci t-shirts. Hypebeast jokes, guys. We are very funny. And your crush Pushpa would be like, damn, Mukesh is posting a lot of pictures on Instagram. But that's not enough in 2021 Instagram. Even your great grandfather is on Instagram nowadays, so it's not a big deal. Now you have to be aesthetic and post aesthetic stuff. And then only Pushpa will be like, damn Mukesh, I want that fine aesthetic ass on my bed right now. And that is exactly what the outcome will be when you watch this complete tutorial. You'll have to incorporate a few things into your style to give it that aesthetic vibe. So here's a list of things that I've made that you need to incorporate in your style and style accordingly. So the first thing will be use neutral outfits. Use colors like black and white, 50 shades of grey. That's the wrong list. I meant shades of grey, just the shades of grey. Cream, brown and even near neutral colors like navy blue, oxblood or olive green. Wear more and more vintage streetwear stuff. Like vintage oversized shirts, printed t-shirts, some Amul machos because they're back in style again. Oversized printed hoodies, sweatshirts, loose trousers, woolen sweaters that are neutral colored and near neutral colored. Baseball caps, bucket hats, beanies, loose denim and patterned socks. I'd say this is what your closet should be filled with. Get some cool varsity jackets and flannels as well because they add into that vintage and that indie boy look. I'll make a separate video about vintage fashion or thrift shopping and your varsity jackets very soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to never miss that video. There are a lot of ways you can wear this stuff like with each other and create different outfits with them. Like wearing an oversized shirt above your Amul macho, just like what I did in this reel right here. You can wear a sweatshirt over your button-down shirt, just like I'm doing here right now. Let's come to the footwear, what you need in your footwear or like sneaker closet to get this look. First one will be the dad sneakers. Those are the aesthetics of 70s and 80s. Obviously, people didn't like them back then, but now it's the aesthetic. Boots, sneakers from Converse or Vans, or even your Air Max 90s. These are amazing sneakers that you need to have in your closet. And here's the ratio I've built for you guys so that you don't have any confusion of how many things to get of what color basically. As I told you, there are 3 types of colors. If you don't know anything about color matching or anything about colors in general, I suggest you to watch this video right here. It's all about color matching and everything about color basically. So watch that and clear everything. But for now, here are 3 types of colors. First one are the neutrals. Second one are the near neutrals, as I told you before. And the third category is the statement colors. Statement colors are like more of the vibrant and little bold colors that make the statement of your outfit, the statement part of your outfit. These are vibrant colors in a good way. So try to get 70% of your closet filled with neutrals. 20% of your closet will be filled with near neutrals. And lastly, the remaining 5% of your closet should be filled with statement colors. If you're just getting started, get your clothing items in this 70, 25 and 5 ratio. What you can also do is wear a complete neutral outfit, have one statement color. For example, we'll keep it red for now. And well, there you go. This is something that I'm talking about. Easy outfit, right? Instant amazing and aesthetic looking outfit. This is again from my Instagram reels. If you want to see more reels of these, go follow me on Instagram. It's at StreetStyleScape. So now let's get to the things that you shouldn't wear. These are specifically things that can ruin that vibe, that aesthetic vibe of your outfits. So stay away from these items. The items include joggers, your slim track pants, your fanny packs, body rigs, or anything tech wearish. Don't go into anything modern. You should always stay on the vintage and that old school kind of side. And especially no slim fit. Now let's get to some accessories, shall we? Get vintage accessories like vintage glasses, your chains, your pendants, pearl necklaces, rings. And don't forget bandanas lastly. Bandanas are amazing and I made a separate video on how you can style your bandanas. The video link is here as well, so go watch that video. You'll learn a lot from that video. The last and very underrated part would be the hair. You can't pull off these outfits and have a hairstyle like this. You know, looks stupid. Talking about hair, thank you for Mars by GHC for collaborating with us on this video. Most of the products that I use on my hair, even right now and when I had long hair back then, I use products from Mars by GHC. They have an amazing line of skincare and hair care products, especially for men. My personal favorite products from their whole category is the 5-in-1 organic hair oil. It's an amazing hair oil actually, and right now I am using that hair oil. Another product that I really liked was the minoxidil because I had hair fall problems before, and this was one of the minoxidil brands that I tried out and I really loved, and it gave me some good results actually. So I can really suggest this minoxidil to you guys. They have a derma roller and everything related to that, whatever I've taught you in the beard growth video. So they have all the products related to that, and you can just go check them out. The link is in the description to buy their products, and by buying these products from the link provided by me in the description, you're helping this channel grow as well. So I'll be glad if you buy products from the link given below. Finally, you have all of your closet built now. You know what things you have to get in your wardrobe to build your outfits. Now it's time to build some outfits out of them. Yeah? Alright? You good? You're not? How do you make outfits out of this stuff? That's your question, really? Even after being a subscriber of StreetStyleScape for more than a year now? Alright, I'll help you guys. Here are 3 of my personal favorite outfits. First one is a basic one. It's an oversized white shirt. Over it is a cream beige sweatshirt. Oversized washed blue denim, tartan socks and Air Force Ones. Lastly, pair some accessories. There you go. First outfit. That's your first outfit. And even though it's a basic one, it looks fire. The second outfit, wear your Rupa Frontline or Dollar Big Boss. For this one, I'm wearing the Amul Macho Pen Ke Nacho. Oversized shirt over it, loose beige trousers and Air Force Ones. Accessorize well and done. There you go. You're ready to set that club on fire with your dancing, you know? You don't even need to dance. Your look is just enough for that. For the third one, a navy blue t-shirt, beige cargos, varsity jacket of Jordan 1s, and accessorize it well. There you go. Third outfit is done as well to give you that hype-beastie indie boy look. That's what I'm calling it. If you still don't know how to make new outfits out of these, and you don't have the clothing items exactly the ones I have, guys, it's not about copying someone's outfit exactly to each item. You have to make your own changes and make that outfit your own. This is something that I've taught you. You have to make changes in that outfit and make it personal to yourself. So make an outfit out of the things that you've already got, the things you're gonna buy, whatever things you have. Even if you have like 4 things of each category, you can make more than 100 outfit combos out of it. Amul Macho Pen Ke Nacho. So just go out there and experiment. I wasn't a fashion guru since day one. I'm not a fashion guru till this date. I just know what works and what doesn't. And you know when does that come? When you mix and match every single thing that you have in your closet and make something out of it, and just take a look at it in the mirror if it looks good to you or not. You will just understand it. Wear those outfits more and more, be comfortable in those outfits and go out. That's when you'll be comfortable with those outfits and make more outfits out of your existing wardrobe. Well, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section. Buy the products from Mars by GHC from the link I've given in the description below. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. You can also join our Discord server, the ACG, where you can buy sneakers, trade sneakers, sell sneakers, and everything about sneakers, and be the part of our huge community that is the ACG. Subscribe to our vlog channel as well. The link is in the description. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.